My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 116. In this lecture, we will try to understand a simple demonstration on hypergeometric distribution. First, we will try to understand survival function of hypergeometric distribution. The survival function is the inverse of cumulative distribution function. What does it mean? That is survival function SF equal to 1 minus CDF. What is my CDF? CDF is cumulative distribution function. But what is cumulative distribution function? I already discussed about cumulative distribution function. Let me repeat it. The cumulative distribution function describes the sum of the probability mass up to some value. For example, let me consider one simple example. Drawing red marbles. Let me say like this. Drawing red marbles. This is my random experiment. Yes. The CDF evaluated. CDF means cumulative distribution function. CDF evaluated at 7, number 7 is probability of, what is that? Probability of drawing 7 or less than 7. Fewer 7 or less than 7, less than or equal to 7, I can say 7 or fewer red marbles. This is the meaning of cumulative distribution function. Therefore, what we are saying, your survival function SF means for me the survival function SF. Therefore, SF evaluated at 7 means I must write opposite of this CDF. How can I write? SF evaluated at 7 is the probability of, what it is? The probability of drawing what is 7 or fewer? 7 or less than 7 means I must take 8 or more, isn't it? Therefore, probability of drawing 8 or more red marbles. Simply it's opposite of your CDF. Anyway, we will try to understand this with the help of Jupyter Notebook. How will it be? Let me go to my Jupyter Notebook. Just we will try to understand with one simple example. Let me take this simple example. What it says? Suppose 18 major computer companies operated in the United States and that 12 are located in California. Isn't it? California's Silicon Valley. If 3 computer companies are selected randomly, how many are selected? Just understand numbers. I have 3 computer companies selected. Totally, there are 18 major computers in which 12 are located in California's Silicon Valley. Yes, 3 computer companies are selected randomly from the entire list. What is the probability that one or more, one or more, that you must understand. What is the question here? One or more, isn't it? One or more. How we define survival function? Survival function evaluated at 7 is 8 or more. Here I need 1 or more, isn't it? If I say survival function at 7 means we were saying that 8 or more. Therefore, here I must say, as I need 1 or more, I must say, I must say first argument is 0, isn't it? Anyway, we will try to understand what it says. What is the probability of 1 or more of the selected companies are located in the Silicon Valley? This we know what is SciPy library, from which I am importing hypergeometric object. I know SF means survival function. I already defined survival function at 7 means I will get 8 or more. Just remember, I explained in PowerPoint slide. If I say survival function at 0 means you will get what? You will get 1 or more. The question, that's what question is saying, 1 or more, isn't it? Therefore, anyway, your hypergeom.sf, here I can say x minus 1. What is my x value here? My x value is 1. Therefore, 1 minus 1, you are getting 0 here, isn't it? Comma, capital N. What is my capital N? Capital N is 18. 18 represents population size. This 18 is population size. What is this 3? 3 means we are choosing. This is sample, small n. This is sample size. What is my 12? 12 means number of successes in population. That is capital A. That is 12. That is 12. 12 means what? 12 means capital A. What it indicates? Means 12 means number of successes in population. This is explanation of this problem. Anyway, we will try to execute this sample code so that we can understand. Just see, let me run this piece of code. What it says is that hypergeom, just now I explained hypergeom.sf survival function, that particular value will get stored in the place of pf. That pf, let me print that pf value. Therefore, what is the probability? 0.9754. What is the probability? I can say like this: the probability that 1 or more of the selected companies are located in Silicon Valley is 0.9754. We will try to understand one more simple problem. What it is? There is a problem. A western city. Just say this one. Yes. A western city has 18 police officers eligible for promotion, isn't it? 11 of 18 are Hispanic. Suppose only 5 of the police, how many? Only 5 of the police officers are chosen for promotion. If the officers chosen for promotion had been selected by the chance alone, what is the probability that 1 or fewer, here he is saying 1 or fewer promoted officers would have been Hispanic? It is simple and straightforward. So, what we need to know here, 1 or fewer. This is our question. 1 or fewer. This is important, isn't it? I will repeat. So, what we need to know here, 1 or fewer. Here we have to find out cumulative distribution function CDF. The formula for the cumulative probability distribution function for hypergeometric distribution is, I am going to use, this is hypergeom.cdf, isn't it? So that's what definition of CDF says. Even in PowerPoint example, we were saying that the cumulative distribution function evaluated at 7 is the probability of drawing 7 or fewer red marks. Here 1 or few are promoted means I must find CDF at 1, isn't it? Therefore, what it says, I need 1 or fewer, therefore this is 1. What is that 18? This 18 is population size. What is this 18? It is population size, isn't it? What is this number 11? 11 represents number of successes. This 11 is number of, what it is? Number of successes, isn't it? Number of successes in population, isn't it? What is my sample? This is 5 is sample size. 5 is sample size. Just execute this particular value. I am storing in particular variable known as p-val so that you will get desired output. How will it be? Just see this one, same problem. P-val equal to hyperjam dot CDF of 1 comma 18 comma 5 comma 11. What is the probability? 0.04738562. This is the required probability. These are simple problems on hypergeometric distribution. Just go through it. Certainly you can understand. If you have any difficulty, just keep a comment. Thank you very much.